Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today we're just going to do a quick video on removing and installing fog lights on an E36 BMW. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so went ahead and got a set of depot lights off of, I believe this was off eBay for about, I want to say about $65 or $70 shipped, and these are the OEM style glass lights, and they come with the mounting bracket too. They seem to be pretty good quality. They are glass, so they'll match the glass headlights that we've got on here now. And as you can see, I'm missing one on this side, and I've got an aftermarket smoked light or blacked out light when it was new. This is a Windjet also that I got on eBay. We're going to go ahead and show you how to pull this one out and install the new one. Alright, so the way that these work is you just push this piece in with a flat blade screwdriver. Let's go like that, and the whole thing will just come out. It like pivots on these pivots right here on these. You can see that. So you just slide it in the housing in there like that, and just push it down until it clicks. Go over to the car. I pull out the right side light, which at least would be the exact same thing. So the top one is to release it. The bottom one would be to adjust the aim of the light. There we go. Wow. It might just be because these are aftermarket. Just unplug your connector, and that is the light out. I might be able to cheat and just put a new one right into this existing frame, because it looks like these attach from the back side, so I'm not really going to want to take that out. If I don't. They do come with bulbs, they just both come in the same box for whatever reason. So I tried to scrounge up some bulbs and I didn't need to. So okay, the depot lights, they do come with H1. So these just turn, twist off, and the bulb goes in there like that. Bolt do not touch the glass part of the bulb. You move up the clips. You probably should just not holding the new bulb so you don't drop it. Open that up, and then you can see it really only goes one way. Just try not to hit the side. Try to get it in without touching glass at all. The scratches also will not like scratches. They'll end up burning out. Swing these back down under the two little tabs right there. So that is installed. Then you have to, with these kind of bulbs, you have to make sure you plug in the positive right on here, around the back of the bulb, and just go ahead and put this back on there. So there's one large one. Okay, there's the large one that's right there. Put it on, twist it, and that is good to go. Plug your connector in, just like that. You're going to slide it in to the little grooves on the outer portion, and then it should just click in place, just like that. Alright, so I'm going to show you now how to actually replace the whole bracket, because what I found out was I just kind of like lightly pried against this and the light just started coming out. So the old aftermarket frame that was in there, this little let me see, there's a dowel right there that broke off, so it was just kind of flopping around. That would be the dowel that goes into the adjustment portion. The dowel on the other side, let's see this. See that? The dowel on the other side right here is still okay. That fits right there. So what I'm going to do is see if I can just take a stubby screwdriver and take these Phillips out. Alright, so that's that. That's the broken piece that's left from the old one. So I insert get it in there, slid in on that side, and then try to put your screws in on this side. There's the locating dowel right here, like that, to get you in the right place. Yeah, I guess I'm going to turn the wheel to the right to gain a little bit of access here. Maybe I can just get my hand in there. Alright, so there's like 8mm right there on the inside of the fender liner. I'm going to take that out and hopefully I can pull back that guy a little bit. I'm going to get my hand in there and get that screw on the top there is going in from the back side with my stubby.